Hello, in front of me I've got EPOMAKER Galaxy80. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to PC. To connect EPOMAKER Galaxy80 to PC, you can use three methods. Firstly, you can simply connect it via this USB-C cable. Connect this part to PC and this part to your keyboard. Next, you can connect it via 2.4G dongle. Dongle should be located here. Remove it and connect it to your PC. Then turn on the keyboard and the keyboard should automatically recognize the PC. In the end, you should be able to connect it via Bluetooth. In order to do it, press and hold F1 button and Q, W or E to enable Bluetooth mode. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.